Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you about how to create a creative resume design in Microsoft Word. A creative resume is a type of resume that uses visually appealing designs, graphics, and the other visual elements of parents the candidate's skills and experience in an innovative way. Creative resumes often depart from the traditional black and white text-only format and may incorporate elements such as color, illustrations, icons, infographics, and other design elements to make the document stand out. A creative resume can help a candidate grab the attention of potential employers and make a memorable first impression, especially in fields such as graphic design, marketing, advertisement, and other creative industries where visual presence in the high visual valued. However, it's important to ensure that the creative elements of the resume don't overshadow the content and that the document remains easy to read and understand. So today I'm going to show you how to create a resume with the MS Word. Let's start. So what I'm gonna do, I start with one. I open up blank pages. I do with the design first. For design, so what I'm gonna do, I'm using insert, and from the insert I can use the rectangle shape. And here I can just use this thing, and what I'm gonna do, I just color it with the shape format. I'm using the color, so I can use for my resume here, the one, and I can do the different one. I'm going to again shape and go to the circle here circle, do the different color, like if I say like this. So here and here I want to insert the photo or pictures from devices. Let's see if I use the one, what you can do. Now what I can do, I insert again and start the rectangle, and here I can use that rectangle. I just change this color, so and take it to back. Let's see how it looks like here. And if I use this back, resize, I can take out the layout, outline, no outline. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna insert text box with this thing, and here I can start the name I can use, and I can design it, or I can say the no fill and take out the shape outline, no outline, and design it. If I do the bigger, so it will this one, and do, then what I'm gonna do, again insert the text box here, and I say digital marketer, and use same format, so use the format option here. You can see just what I will do, I just take it little bit, decrease the font, save fill, no fill, and no outline. So here what about me, I can do insert text box, draw, so I can use the text here, do save fill with the no color and no outline. I can do the text fill white one. Let's see how it looks like. I can do the little bit bigger, just use from the home and do the 14 here. You can see now. The next, go to the contact. So how can I edit? Same as the box text here. I can use this here, no outline. I can say take it to the center here, do it a little bit bigger. Also you can design it if you want, you can use the one. You can also do check out the shape format, you can do no fill, so you can say. And then next what can you do, you can do from here, and you can just use the one. Then contact, you can use the icon. So from you can use the icon of, so it will come up like this. In here you can find, and I can take it to here, text box, draw text box. I can just write in here and take it to little bit top, take out the no shape, no file, and take out the outline, and this is, you can see. Then same as you can do the your addresses or email. Here it's now contact the done. Then next what you will do, now we'll do with the education. So same as the before, we can do just insert, like we can say education, and take it to down and do with the format 1 to 2 like this, and take out the shape outline little bit bigger and take it into the center. We can just copy and take it to later on, for we can use it here, or we can use the for another. Before that I just copy it, and what can I do, again I go to the shape, and here I can use insert the box. So what can I do, same as I can just draw the box and using here, and I can do few the copy it and paste in somewhere. So I can use the letter on the box, no shape and no outline here. And what can I do, I can use the one for the another option. From here I can use now and do with the no fill and no outline, same. So it's, and then next what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this as a skill. I can use this. So what can I do, and here also you can add the skill what I did. So I just write in here, and you can just use this. Then next we are gonna use, then we'll do now the write the experience. So it's the same as, so I can write, or I can just insert Dropbox and say the experience, and take out the shape line and use, take out the no outline. I can just resize it and do this uppercase. Then you can add the text box again, you can just add the another text box and write in here. But before that, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna again insert a text box, and with the text box I can just say, and what can you do, just take it the shape fill and using the no outline. So here you can see, then you can experience another experience. I can use the languages with insert top box, and I can use here, let's see here, I can use the languages and use the no fill and no outline. I can save for now, and I'll take it down, insert dot table. I can use the languages, the one, and I can use languages with the uppercase and with the no outline, no shape here, and just you can do same as. And what can you do, just little bit take it to bigger, and here you can see now it's the one kind of resume. Then we will go to the reference. So with the reference, so what can you do, same as do the insert box and draw here. Just now you can resize here, resize it. Okay, now you can see this is the one creative resume. So you can use and you can create with the MS Office very easily. It is very fantastic, and rather than the installer, it is very easy to work with the MS Office. So I hope that it will help you very much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I hope that I will see you in my next video.